We're here at Harris Outdoors. Cooking nice snapping turtles, as you can see. Hang on, let me pull them up. Oh God, he's stuck. Man, it's a beast. Got a big old turtle.
Caught him on a plastic worm.
Yeah, I was bass fishing. We started chasing my worm on my ugly stick. A big old turtle. This thing weighs at least 10, about a good 10-pound snapping turtle. I'm gonna try to cut the line here. Get him off.
Here, let me fight him. I want to fight him.
Get him up here on the bank.
No, you don't bite your foot off.
Yeah, I know you.
Look at his eyeballs.
Oh, get a picture.
No.
God, it's a big old turtle. Oh, he's taking off. This was a 10-pound test.
Huh? Huh?
All right, folks. See y'all later.